Okay, time to talk about my hearing loss. There's several ways you can lose your hearing. One is being exposed to loud noises for long periods of time. That can do it. Two is genealogy, family history. The third is by damaging the audio nerve in your head. Right? Enough said. First one, I was a rock and roll musician for years and years and years. Um, And I drove big trucks, not semis, but I drove big trucks all over the Denver metro area in the mountains and for many, many, many years. A lot of them were on air conditioned and had the window open, so the road noise, which is maybe about 70, 80 decibels, something like that, or maybe more, maybe less. Okay, there's two. Uh, Family history on my dad's side of the family is yes, there's been hearing loss on my side of the family. And also the damage to the audio nerve in your brain. I have that also. I've had like 9 concussions. Probably two or three of them have been major. So you get your head juggled around inside there, and the things get messed up. And I've also had cancer treatment in this area for lymph node and tonsil cancer. So that doesn't help matters. Um, I had my last hearing test not too long ago, and the person who did the test did the test, and we got into word recognition, and I could hear it, but I couldn't understand it. So we're looking at damage to the audio nerve in my brain, um, which with all three of them factors factoring into it, yeah, okay, I got some damage on that time. Um, my ears ring at a constant, probably 80, 90 decibels. I can hear people talk, but I can't understand them. And with that being said, the ramifications that come from not being able to hear, I don't think a lot of people understand. So maybe we can get some understanding from this video, I hope. You cannot imagine how embarrassing it is to someone like me who can't hear or understand the words. I don't understand. I can hear, but I can't understand the words. That like my boss one time sent me to the grocery store to pick up some lettuce. I come back with eggs because I misunderstood what he said. Very, 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 very embarrassing. I mean, I'm 69 years old and I'm supposed to be like a leader and then supposed to an example for the younger generation, which I really try to do. So it's very embarrassing. The same thing goes on with like when you're with your friends and they're talking about cars and you think they're talking about bars and you said, "Oh, I found a good one around the corner over here and I had a good shot of whiskey." They all laugh at you, and next thing you know, you're feeling uncomfortable, which I really do. I the toll that it's taken on my marriage is unbelievable. Um, I just want to hide. Because if I sit in the front room to watch TV with my wife is noise intolerant, so she has the TV down very low, and the closed captioning on the screen bothers her, and she doesn't like that. So I have my own TV in my own room with the closed captioning on when she's not up because it affects her TVs upstairs thanks to direct TV. But anyway, the isolation that it causes. Uh, I don't want to talk. I've been embarrassed so many times that I'm scared. being simple and straight. Um, uh, so there's no communication, so me and my wife have come drawn very far apart to the point where, we might dissolve this relationship. I hope not. But anyway, it's either here, there. And you're sitting there and you're going, well, why don't you just get your hearing aids? Well, all hearing aids is an amplifier. And if I can hear the sound, I don't need it to be amplified. I need something to clarify the speech. And getting an ear implant, it's like going to be a shot in the dark. Maybe 50-50 would be my best hope that might help. Otherwise, what am I going to do? I can learn sign language, but I'm the guy who stutters and speed reads backwards upside down. Now, how am I going to read sign language upside down and backwards? So every day I get up, and not only do I have a problem with my speech and my reading, I have a problem with my hearing. Every day is such a freaking challenge to survive. I can't get work. One, I'm too old. People don't want to hire someone 69 years of age. You know, I can't talk to people on the street. I have no idea what they're saying. Hold on a second here. Let me get a piece of paper so you can write something, pull me down, or pull my phone out and try to find that app to translate the speech into text so I can read it. To me, it looks really, really foolish. It looks like I'm a freaking idiot. I get really tired. I'm really tired. And there's nothing that I can really do. And I know there's other people out there that probably are similar. I can't explain the fear, the lack of confidence in myself. You know, I can't play music anymore because I can't hear the pitch. I can't sing. I can't hear the pitch. Uh, my coins fall out of my pocket, so I can't hear them pick up the ground, or my keys. And I'm a really easy target for someone who wanted to just come up and sneak up behind me and scare me or injure me. Um, my wife and son think it's kind of funny to sneak up on me. It's really easy to do when you can't hear. So I just want someone to maybe understand this a little better. There's really nothing I can do. Something I gotta live with. And my life has been nothing but a hand of spades. Uh, it's very, very struggling. The life I've been through. I'll come back with some more stories. Thank you.